What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody. It's November 26th, Thursday, and we have a dip. Okay, we have a dip in the middle of a Bitcoin bull market. And I know a lot of you guys out there, the new people, the newcomers, are freaking out right now. You guys can't handle it. You don't know what to do with yourself, right? Because you bought in, what, at 18,000, at 19,000, whatever, and then now it's crashing down to almost 17,000, and you don't know what to do with yourself, right? You're wondering, damn, should I sell this thing? Should I get out? Did I make a mistake? This is all a scam. Understandable. I was there at one point. I thought the same thing when I was new to this, and before I understood what trading is, what investing is, what price action looks like, what market cycles look like. Let me just go ahead and show you guys something real quick. I'm gonna try to keep this as short and sweet as possible, but I can talk all day about this. This is Bitcoin, all the way from 2010. Okay, Bitcoin was created in 2008. You know that. So as you can see, there's been a lot of up and down, but Bitcoin has always been moving in cycles. Like I said, the bull market, which is the leg up, and then the bear market, which is the crash down, and then another leg up of the bull market, and another leg down of the bear market, and then bull market, bear market, and now we're in the middle of a bull market. You can even say we're at the start of a bull market. To me, the bull market officially starts when we break the previous all-time high, like this one here. We came up, we came down, and when we break above that level of the previous all-time high is when we really make new highs. Same here. We came down. When we break above that level is when things get really exciting, and now we're at that point again, right? We just tagged the all-time high recently, a couple days ago. We barely tagged it, whatever, crashed back down. That's just the way it works, guys. That's just the way Bitcoin works. But now let's go back to the weekly chart, okay? So we can zoom in and we can see the previous price action in the history of Bitcoin, and let's see if this is normal reaction during the bull market, okay? So during this bull market, as you can see, we rallied from the bottom of the bear market, broke above the previous high, and then now here we are. Bitcoin got to this tip top right here at $270, and then it crashed all the way down to here at the bottom of that little wick. That's an 80% correction, okay? All the way down to $50. So during the middle of the bull market, Bitcoin corrected 80%, 80% from $270 to $50. Now, I'm not sure if there was some kind of bad news that came out during this time. Maybe it was Mt. Gox, an exchange that got hacked. I don't know. I don't care to look, okay? All I know is this is typical, guys. Bitcoin during this bull market retraces on average 30 to 40% all the time. It's very normal. Very normal. Okay? So there's that. And then if you look up here in the second cycle, right? After the second halving here, look, we came up, we tagged the previous all-time high just like we did the other day, right? This time the all-time high was at $1,200. We crashed down to that wick at $728. That's a 39% drop. Look at that, 39%. I'm not lying to you. Look at the screen. So that's a 40% drop from $1,200 to $700. That's almost half. Does that mean the bull market is over? I don't know. You tell me. Let's keep looking. Price rallied again, and this time we peaked above the previous all-time high, and then we crashed again, right? Look, we crashed from there to there. That little crash was a 35% drop from $1,300 to $866. Does that mean the bull market is over? Does that mean pack your bags and go home? I don't know. Let's find out. We kept going. This time we went way above. And then here we are at $2,970, almost three times the previous all-time high. We crashed again all the way down to $1,797, about $1,800. So from $3,000 to $1,800, a 40% drop. Once again, does that mean the bull market is over? I don't know. Let's find out. We kept going up, and then here we are at the top around $4,900. We crashed again to the bottom of that wick at around $2,800. That's a 42% drop. Does that mean the fun is over, the party's over? I don't know. Let's find out. We kept going again. We rallied, and then, okay, now it's time to go to the bear market, right? Crash all the way down for the bear market. So, guys, the point of this is it's very typical for Bitcoin to make 30-40% correction during a bull market. Does not mean that it's a scam, does not mean that, man, we're going to zero. This is an opportunity for you guys to load up on some cheap Bitcoin. That's a Black Friday sale. If you guys are not taking advantage, maybe you're not in the right investment. You can't invest in something like Bitcoin that appreciated, I don't know how many percent since inception. Let's see. From all the way down here, from 1 cent, okay, to where it's at today. Come on, man. Look at that. Look at that percentage gain. From 1 cent to the top of 19,000, or right now 17,000, whatever. I don't even know what number that is. How many percent is that? That's 3, 4. That's 1,674,008,439%. 1.6 billion percent. Yeah, that's crazy, man. And you guys wonder why. You guys think that we can't come down? What do you think? What is this, a free lunch? You think it's a free lunch? You think that you can just buy into this thing and it's just going to go up forever and you be a billionaire? Let me tell you something. Your investment does not make you rich. Your conviction and your patience does. A lot of people say, oh man, I wish I was one of those guys that bought when it was at $1, at 50 cents, $10, $100, $1,000. Maybe you would have bought back then, but do you have the balls to hold through that? Do you have the balls to hold through this, through that, through this, through that, through that? Do you? Ask yourself. You're freaking out because we went to $19,000 and now we're sitting at $17,000. You're already freaking out. You're already ready to sell everything, fucking pack your bags, take your balls and go home. That's what you're doing. Look at Tesla, for example. I'll look at a stock. Even Tesla. And Tesla did not make the kind of gain, nowhere near the kind of gain that Bitcoin did. This is 2010, as you can see, Tesla went to today. That's what is that? 19,000%. Pretty good. Pretty good. Probably one of the best performing stock we ever had. Probably this and Amazon and Apple. 19,000% compared to Bitcoin 1.6 billion percent. Was it a smooth ride? I don't know. Let's find out. Tesla. Here we go. Okay. Went up, crashed, 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 rallied all the way up, crashed. Would you hold this? Would you hold that or would you sell? Be honest with yourself. Went up, crashed, went up, crashed, 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 up, down, up, down. Finally making new highs. Up, oh, nope. Crashed down about 50% right there, at least. What is that? What is that? Hold on. From here to here. Yeah, 70%, 61% drop. Finally came up. Even this little red bar right here. Do you think that's small? Look, that's a 26% drop. You would have sold. You would have sold way back then. And now we're at new high on Tesla. And Bitcoin dropped what? What is this? What is this drop? 17%, and you already crying for your mommy. You already crying for your nanny. You said, mommy, I don't want to play anymore. Guys, this is not the investment for you. If that's the mindset that you have, this is not the right asset for you. Maybe go buy some bonds. Maybe go invest in gold. You want to look at gold? Let's look at gold. Let's see how gold perform, okay? Look at that. From 2000, look, man. 2011, okay? Gold hits 1930. Almost $2,000. 9 years later, here we are. Where we at? $1,800. You would have lost money if you invested in gold back in 2011. You would have held that investment for 9 years and you still not break even yet. 9 years. This is the same time when Bitcoin came out. Bitcoin came out from 1 penny to $19,000. Imagine being one of these guys holding a bar of gold, still not break even yet. If you want a stable return, maybe invest in gold, maybe buy some bonds, maybe go buy like some silver. I don't know. Just Bitcoin is not the right investment for you if you're gonna be scared of a little 10, 20, 30% drop. It's very normal during a bull market, guys. I have no doubt in my mind we're gonna rip straight up after this, blast through the all-time high, make new highs. My target still stands 100 to 200K by the end of 2021.